Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I have something very special for you. A while back, I got online and I saw an app called Beeper, which is an application that can control your Google Chats, your iMessage, your text messaging, Slack, and a whole bunch of other stuff. But they do it all inside of one application. And if that wasn't interesting enough, they also have a dedicated device that you can purchase and use with a Raspberry Pi to chat, to use this chat app. And it runs as an application inside a Raspberry Pi from what I'm understanding. Now, for those of you unfamiliar with what a Beepberry is, which is what's in this box, let's take a look at their website. So taking a look at the Beepberry website, you can see all the stats here. You've got sharp memory LCD, which is 400 by 240, programmable RGB LED. This is where the Raspberry Pi will screw in. You have GPIO breakout boards, header pins, power switches, and it even comes with a battery. They have cases that can be 3D printed, but I don't have a 3D printer, so maybe I can find somebody who will 3D print this case for me. You can see the approximate size. Here's a banana for reference. And it's running customized software. This is basically a portable cyber deck. What I'm going to do today is unbox it, take a good look at it. In a future video, I'll follow the instructions and set this up and show you how it works. The outside of the box is just what they shipped it to me in. Cutting into it. Inside the box we have some packing shielding material. This is very handy. This is actually what will hold the battery in place, because without a case, you do not have anything to hold the battery in place, and I'll show you that in just a moment. Cut through some more. This company also makes like Pebble smartwatches, or they were the company that made the Pebble smartwatches. So we've got the device itself, we've got our screws, and we've got our little battery here. This is a 2000 milliamp battery. It's 3.7 volts. And this is the meat and potatoes of this upcoming project. All right. So you see here's our screen, which is 400 by 240. It's our breakout pins here. And this is where the Raspberry Pi will mount. It's pretty straightforward. We'll use those screws, mount the Raspberry Pi. There's some firmware that you have to load onto the Raspberry Pi to run this. Then your battery hooks up here. We have a USB-C charging port and a power switch right there. And it's got the BlackBerry keyboard here integrated. I'm excited to have a device that will have a tactile screen. This will have Wi-Fi enabled because it will have Wi-Fi on the Raspberry Pi. I had actually had a thought of seeing if there was a cellular board that you could add to this so that you could use this out and about. I do have an extra SIM card that I could use this with, and then it would basically be a mobile phone. But that's just a real quick and dirty unboxing. I just wanted to get my hands on it, take a look at it, see what's going on. If you guys have any questions about the device or anything that you'd like to see me cover in future videos, please leave it in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching this very, very quick unboxing. My name is Bryant. This is Reviews for Nerds. Have a great day.